Testing, testing.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss ex-strippers.
How does lighting look? First thing first, we're going to bring my hands really quick. And I'm just doing 2 simple braids. Nothing crazy.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars.
Alright, y'all, I'm looking for another rubber band. Got one. So, alrighty. That is that. I'm going to put this wig on. Right? Can y'all see? Or no? Alright, there we go. So I plucked it a little in the front, of course, and then just hot combed it so it could be flat. And I didn't pluck the part or anything. It came like that. I'm using some foundation. Put it on my hand first. There we go.
Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was.
The black one. This is Supreme Hold. I'm not sure if this is the strongest one. I'm not sure if this one or the red one. I think it's this one. I'm not sure. I don't use a cap no more. I really feel like the cap method takes away your edges. Spray in front of my hairline, of course, not on my hair. I mean, you don't want to spray too close because you don't want it to be on your eyebrows. That'd be crazy. That'd be looking a little crazy.
Was talking freaky like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass a little bit. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Ask me what I wanted.
Right. So what I'm gonna do is spray it on my finger and then apply. Spray on my finger and then apply. Gonna do it a little old school and fan. It's just a picture for my ID. I don't need this to be perfect. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't really care if it's perfect or not. I just want it to look good. It's just pictures for my ID. It's not like, you know, it's a photo shoot. If it was a photo shoot, that'd be totally different. I probably wouldn't be doing it on camera because I would have to be in the mirror, like, you know. So I'm gonna put enough where it kind of like drips a little, and then you want to just press it on, or you can just do it like this. Just that when you do it like that, a lot comes out, so just be careful. That's all. See that it's a lot already. Just wipe it. That's all. Not that deep, y'all. So I'm about to go cut this because I can't do it like this, and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I'm back. So I had cleaned up this side because I didn't even realize that was my hair. I thought that was the wig hair, but that was my hair from the comb when I put it on and it pulled it out a little of the braid. So I cut a little more lace. As you can see, that looks way much better, right? Exactly. So I feel like a lot of people don't really be saying this though. Like the reason why a lot of people wigs look so lacy is because it's too much lace that's out. We're gonna spray again. And just take that. Let it dry. And then I'm gonna do another layer, of course. Okay, you wanna get it, make sure it's tacky so that when you put the wig on, that it sticks. Sure it's tacky by now. Yes, ma'am. Tacky down here. Still a little wet. All right, there we go. I felt that it's tacky. And like I said, you're gonna put enough on so it's kind of dripping, and then put it like that. Oop. And don't worry, you can always clean it up. Don't let that scare you. Don't get too close to the hairline while it's wet. I would wait till you put your band on and you let it dry to get all the excess spray off. Okay. Y'all, I have no idea what I did with my comb. But we're gonna get creative and just tap that in. Skin to It's pretty dry. I didn't even put the band on it because I got distracted. But yeah, this is how the wig looks. So being that this is a synthetic wig, what I do is use this spray, synthetic wig leave-in conditioner spray, and spray it. Comb it. It actually smells good, really good. And I do a finger twist.
Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass a little bit. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking.
But yes, I just spray top to bottom enough where it's damp. You don't want it like dripping wet or anything. Don't go too crazy. And then brush. This is the dupe to the unbrush. It works just as good. I got it for $2 on TikTok shop. No shame in my game. I used it for my natural hair, but it works very well for synthetic wigs because you know they mat up a lot in the back and all over. So this is a good brush. So you won't be sitting there embarrassing yourself. And it goes right through. And this is what it's looking like. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and just put all of them together into one. And this band actually came with the earmuffs to protect the ear so it won't hurt. I don't know where those are at. I'm not looking for it right now, but I got it off of Temu if you guys are looking for that. Going to do that. I'll keep it on my ear right now. And then throw my bonnet on. And see you guys.
You can trust in me. I can, you said I can trust in you.